Welcome back, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Adams bringing the water cycle right to you. If you remember from Friday, you were given this piece of paper in your Salmon Packet, lesson 1.2. If you don't have your Salmon Packet, go ahead and pause the video and grab that. All right, once you have that in front of you, we're going to use what we remember from third grade and find the boxes that fit the words condensation, precipitation, and evaporation. If you remember, precipitation is when water comes down in liquid form. This can come down as snow, hail, or rain. Let's see if you put precipitation into the correct box. Did you get it right? Excellent. The next vocabulary word was evaporation. So as the water sits in one place, such as a lake or a wetland, or even pools up on a leaf, it turns from a liquid state to water vapor when it's heated. This is called evaporation. Check it out. Did you put evaporation in the right box? Way to go. The third word that you may remember is condensation. And condensation is when the water vapor rises, the air gets colder and the water vapor will begin to condense to form cloud. If the air cools even more, the water vapor will condense further and turns back into a liquid or crystal, which is snow and ice, state. This process is called condensation. Now, last Friday, I introduced 3 new words to you, and I challenged you to try and fit those words on the page where you think they worked. The first word was runoff. We had groundwater, and we also had infiltration. So today, we're going to see how you did. So let's look at the word runoff. When water falls from the sky as precipitation, it could run off into our rivers, lakes, and streams. The water that does not run off is infiltrated into the ground. That means that it just soaks or seeps into the ground. The third box is groundwater. The top of the zone of water is called groundwater and moves through the watershed in a process called groundwater flow. Let's look at the next page in your packet on the water cycle. What I would like you to do is see if you can fill in those words for questions 1 through 7 on your own. When you have done that, I would like you to start the video again, and we're going to see how you did. Go ahead and pause the video and answer questions 1 through 7. All right, the water cycle. I apologize for the way it looks. All right, the process when liquid water becomes gas in the atmosphere is called evaporation. How did you do? Number 2, the movement of water underground is called groundwater. And remember, that's the top layer of water. Number 3, precipitation is the water that falls from clouds as rain or snow. And we have a lot of precipitation in Washington State. Number 4, water on the Earth's surface, which moves into a stream or lake without absorbing into the soil, is called runoff. Number 5, infiltration is the downward movement of water through the spaces of rock or soil when surface water becomes groundwater. Number 6, The process when gas condenses to form clouds is called condensation. I bet you got that one right. And here's your bonus question. Are you ready? It's not a word from your diagram. What drives the entire water cycle? That's right, it's the sun. All right, let's go ahead and check out our answers again. What I would like you to do is send a picture to your teacher of this worksheet. Nice job, fourth graders.